3rd now, 2009, 5 p.m. There's another walk in Prague across the Charles Bridge here. It's been a very windy day with a jazz trio. Could be a little bit warmer. It's probably maybe about 15 degrees. But it's a nice enough day to explore the city of Prague. Another view south here on the river. Looking back on the east side. Some artists, tourists. I hear more music. I think that was recorded music because they just turned it off. Statues here. Apparently, I think 21 or something are still original. The church is under construction at the moment. They're repairing the left-hand side here. And this is something I just learned. You have to touch these areas here in order to be lucky and come back to Prague. There we go. I'm gonna get in line here too. Alright. Let's have a look over the city while we do this. There we go. Let's rub the other side too, just for good measure. There we go. Another look at the Prague Castle. Gorgeous city.